Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve that 3 minus 10 bracket 3 minus 10. 90% people fail to solve this. How? They solve it like 3 minus 10 as negative 7, 3 minus 10 as negative 7 and negative 7 times negative 7 as positive 49. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? Yes, it's incorrect. Because when an expression like this, you have given multiple operations, subtraction, bracket, in bracket there is a subtraction, then always follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first always solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So it's 3 minus 10 as minus 7. No. So what we have to do? First solve the bracket. So 3 minus 10 as minus 7. What is left? 3 minus 10. And if there is no sign between a number and a bracket, put multiplication sign. Now we have two operations, subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication over subtraction. So 10 times 7 is 70 and negative is positive. So what is the final answer? 73. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.